What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin. We have a red day today across the whole crypto market, and the price of Bitcoin dropped to $111,000, almost like a little higher than that. And that was kind of expected. As you see, we had the support here. Both BTC had the support zone and Ether also had the support zone. And it was tested so many times that there's no surprise that it finally was broken. Moreover, with Ether, we had this area right there. And that is another zone, like $4,250, so many times tested. It was not broken initially, but now like everything goes where it should be. Finally, we reached $4,000. It's pretty good, but it's kind of round number here. I would assume that in most cases, it's actually doesn't stop there. When we reach something like 1,000, 2,000, or 10,000, it is broken eventually, at least a little bit. So it could be that it's done, but I wouldn't be so sure. I would say that it's more likely to be broken even more. Although currently the whole like a set of indications for the fact that we are finished with the correction it's quite positive. So we have the volume, both BTC and Ether. We have the certain levels, again, both for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which reached this area of liquidations for long positions, and we have the support in particular for Bitcoin. This is $12,000. That is exactly where the price currently stopped at, and like Fibonacci is again 61.8% at that point, at the lowest drop. So it's pretty much reasonable. It's just a correction for the rise which we had so far. We had this ascending channel which was also broken and tested from the bottom, and then after the pullback we have this like a acceleration of the drop. There is nothing on S&P 500. It's just a little decline. There is nothing in terms of the news. At least I checked what I saw. Nothing is really critical. So it's the normal volatility here, and we just had to go there because we have this accumulation phase, and within this phase, it's very likely that we'll continue to go within the kind of a narrowed range. Moreover, if you look at the daily and a weekly time frame, check the Bollinger Bands, for example, then on the daily time frame we actually close to the lower zone, which is like 110 or something like that. So we actually can touch it as soon as the price will continue go with the same range. So it's also reasonable. We get a pullback from the middle line, and which is even more pronounced on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, which touched it already second time, right? Again, support similar to maybe like here, not here, maybe here. But even if we drop even lower, like $100,000, then still it is just like extreme oversold condition, right? Here. We didn't have it yet during this like phase of price rise kind of a block. We didn't have it yet, so we might have it and drop $100,000, and then maybe even a little lower, and then go up from there. So I'm not surprised. Just maybe it's a little unclear whether we'll go there or not. Maybe it's already enough, and I think that normally it's probably the most reasonable scenario that we'll end up having the end of the correction here. So we'll continue maybe trading here and then go back to $1,800, and then like go continue higher. But again, this is most likely scenario, and in my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, maybe we'll go even lower, but if we'll continue to go lower like that, then 110, I don't think it's possible to hold. I think we'll be, so if this is not the bottom of the correction, we'll probably drop below that, and the closest one is like $103,000, and if we don't hold this, again, I don't think that 100 or even 98, 97 holds. I think we'll go even lower, even up to 85, 87,000. But it is, again, the lower we consider, the lower price we consider, the less likely it happens. the probability of this is lower. So yeah, anyways, I don't think that this is like a bad thing or anything. Moreover, it's the discount, especially for good altcoins like Ether. I don't agree that we need to try to find some gems for like dark horses or anything among the low cap altcoins at the moment. It's more, it's relatively risky, and it's mathematically not profitable to buy it against BTC at the moment. So we even see that increase in Bitcoin dominance, in particular because of Ether, but still it's the trend. So again, I think BTC, maybe Ether to buy slowly, not financial, not investment advice, not trading advice, of course, just my opinion. But yeah, it looks reasonable to me in my view. So yeah, that was the whole thing today. I hope it makes sense. I hope that you found that useful, and let's see what happens within the week. I may make another update, or if nothing, then probably see you next week in the next video. And yeah, leave me a comment or write me on Telegram, whatever. You can find all the links down below in the description. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.